Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. This is in a gray exterior here with a black interior. Powered panoramic sunroof. Blind spot assist. Formatic, Mercedes-Benz and GLB 250 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Have a look at the sunroof. Memory seats with driver seat controls, heated seats, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 2,803, and we have a push button ignition, radio, backup camera, climate controls, customizable interior LED lighting, center console, Mercedes-Benz shifter, steering wheel. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.